At the beginning of the clip, a domestic dog is lost in the forest when a leopard on the side of the road rushes out to attack it fearlessly. Attacked by surprise, the domestic dog seems to be weaker. The dog struggled to get out of the leopard's sharp jaws, but still couldn't get rid of this cold-blooded animal. The scene is quiet at night. The dog is watching the house at night when suddenly it feels something dangerous. As expected, a leopard was trying to climb from the gate, so the dog ran at full speed to hide. Leopard jumps over the gate, looking and sniffing, finds the dog. Leopard takes the prey through the high sharp gate with ease. A leopard is biting the neck of a domestic dog up a tree to prepare to eat it. Fortunately for the dog, a passing ranger made the leopard lose focus. The dog immediately jumped down from the tall tree and rushed into the forest to escape the predator. A domestic dog was lying on the fence of an apartment when he suddenly stood up when he discovered the appearance of an uninvited guest. A few seconds later, a leopard suddenly appeared and rushed at high speed to attack the dog. Despite the domestic dogs looking for a way to run away, the superiority of strength and speed helped the leopard easily defeat its prey. Then the leopard left with its meal in its mouth. A man was trying to climb into a car when a leopard rushed out of nowhere to attack. The man kicked so hard that the leopard missed and ran away. At the same time, a pack of domestic dogs came together to attack the predator that went into the wrong territory. After a while of a struggle, the dogs also decided to withdraw when they saw that the leopard was being too aggressive. Another situation recorded an image of a leopard quietly walking up the stairs and approaching a sleeping dog in front of the house. The leopard is very cautious. It slowly slows down so as not to make a sound. After approaching its prey, it freezes to make a final judgment. Immediately, the leopard grabs the dog's neck quickly. The dog is attacked by surprise. The dog tried to resist but failed. It let out a final cry of pain. Finally, the leopard drags the prey and rushes down the stairs. A domestic dog was struggling on the road when a leopard rushed out of the bushes to attack the dog, but the dog tried to struggle and succeeded in escaping. A short video of a hyena non-stop biting a dog's front leg, even though the dog is locked in a cage. Other dogs are barking, threatening, but not scaring the hyena. In the next situation, the big dogs dared to chase the jaguar, and they did not stop teasing the jaguar. Unable to take it anymore, the angry jaguar rushes to defeat the opponent, but the dogs also run very fast. The domestic dogs still tease the jaguar, making the jaguar angry again and again and rush to catch them, but each time they can't catch them. In the end, it has to run away. A domestic dog was wandering on a rocky hill when a leopard charged fiercely from behind. It was a surprise attack, but the dog quickly dodged and escaped from the leopard. The lovely dog was walking along the shore when a crocodile in the river suddenly attacked it. The moment of these two dogs were playing hide and seek, the dog hiding near the bushes was suddenly attacked by a leopard. Unable to resist a hunter several times its body size. Even the dog doesn't think it's the last moment of his life. Funny moment when a big crocodile was chased by a puppy and ran into the river.
Get out.
Leopards are extremely intelligent and extremely effective predators, blessed by God for its agility and ability to climb very well, so it ranks first in predation rate. As soon as the leopard discovers its prey and immediately approaches. Leopards easily take down their prey in a moment. A poor dog is completely done in its sharp jaw. A cougar walks into a dog's territory by mistake. It's immediately greeted by a domestic dog with warnings. The domestic dog calls for more teammates. They quickly surround the enemy to drive it out of their territory. Before the warnings of the guardians, the cougar finally ran away to the forest. Thank you for watching the whole video. Please click like and turn on the notification bell to receive the latest videos. If you have any contributions or what kind of animals to talk about, don't forget to comment below and let us know.